Hello. Hi, friends. Today we looked, and I'm really curious about what he will do. Are you curious too? Duck Duck is also coming to the workshop in his blue car. Good morning, Duck Duck. How are you today? Shall we check the mailbox together? Yes, a letter has arrived. What does the letter say? Will you share it with us? This is a bicycle, Duck Duck. Our friend has asked you to make a bicycle. If you want, let's get started right away. What do you think? It's quite a beautiful bicycle. We have blue, green, and pink colors for the front frame. What color do we need, Duck Duck? Pink. Yes. Okay, what about our back frame? Green, red, and navy blue. Which one? Green. Yes, Duck Duck. What color should our steering wheel be? Black. Red? Which of these colors? Black, Duck Duck. Yes. What about our front and back wheels? Isn't it orange? Duck Duck. Yes. Okay, what color is the seat? Light blue. Green. Or is it brown? Brown. Next we have the chain set. Black. Purple. Or is it orange? Yes, Duck Duck. What color are our right and left pedals? Okay. Black. Well done, Duck Duck. Our bicycle is complete. Shall we take a test ride? Are you ready? Duck Duck is continuing to ride the bicycle. Duck Duck brakes suddenly. We check the brakes. Don't the brakes seem solid? Duck Duck. Very successful then. Now we need to get our bicycle ready to send to our friend.